बेसुमार अथाह अगणित अतुल्य ज्यों बुलावहो त्यों नानक दास बोले। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। My honorable Sikh siblings, today we are celebrating the martyrdom day of Baba Banda Singh Bahadur and his companion Khalsa warriors. Baba Banda Singh Bahadur is the great personality in the Sikhism who was established the Khalsa kingdom in 1710 and he was started the currency on the name of first Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji. He was ruled out in the Punjab state. Meanwhile, 6-year-old, he tried to increase the boundary of Khalsa kingdom. He gained the victory over the district Gurdaspur and its Tehsil Batala in 1716, but immediately the governor of Punjab, Abdul Samud Khan, he attacked with 20,000 troops on the Khalsa warriors in the area of Gurdaspur district in Punjab, Majha belt. That time Baba Banda Singh Bahadur had to stay in Gurdas Nangal fortress which was very famous on the name of Duni Chand's Haveli, Duni Chand's castle. There was Baba Banda Singh Bahadur and his 100 companions countered the imperial army with great strategy. Meanwhile, 8 months and they did not allow the Indian army into the fortress. During this time, the lack of food, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur's companions, that time they ate the leaves of tree and the bark of trees. They ground and used in the place of floor, and they also collected the bone of animals and ground them, and the powder of the bones of animals was used in the place of floor. In this way, some Khalsa warriors, they cut off the flesh of their thighs, roasted it and ate it. So this was very critical time. During the 8 months, they faced the imperial army with boldness. But after that, their bodies was too much weak. They had not power to use the arms against imperial army. That time imperial army came to know about the weakness of Khalsa warrior. They entered into the fortress, and that time Baba Banda Singh Bahadur, his 4-year son, namely Ajay Singh, and 2000 Khalsa warriors were taken prisoners. According to the Khalsa history, some Khalsa warriors were escaped from the small fort Gurdas Nangal. That time Baba Banda Singh Bahadur and his companions were taken prisoners and brought them to Lahore city. The governor of Punjab, Abdul Samud Khan, that time he thought the number of killings was very small, and he gave strictly order immediately to cut the head of Sikhs from near villages about the Lahore city. That time, meanwhile, thousands Sikhs were beheaded, were killed. According to addition, 700 cats were loaded with the head of Khalsa devotees for carrying to the capital of India. That time, my honorable listeners, unique, amazing procession was started from Lahore to Delhi. In the front of this procession, 2,000 heads of the Sikhs were hung on the bamboo poles in front of this procession, and in the middle, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur put in iron cage, and this cage placed on the back of elephant. Baba Bandar Singh Bahadur is behind. Meanwhile, 746 were tied to the camels, and the back side of this procession 7,000 cats were loaded with the heads of Sikhs. So this procession went to the capital of country. On the reaching of Delhi city, that time this procession was taken in the main street of the capital to terrify as well as to horrify the country people. The Emperor of India, namely Froxia, that time he asked to all the prisoners to change their religion. What not one of them to agree that time. Emperor Froxia was become very angry, and he gave order for the killing of all prisoners, and he said to the executioners that to divide the 706 into 7 groups and to kill every day one group. So in this way, series wise, every day 106 were killed. According to the addition, in 706 there was a newly married youth. Only he was 18th year old. He was taken prisoner on the way, but his old mother reached into the court of Froxia. She requested for releasing her son. He said, "My son was not sick." Froxia ordered to release him. When his mother reached at the killing place, she asked to the senior official for releasing her son. That time senior official said, "O youth, you are not a Sikh." He replied with great confidence, "Who are saying I am not Sikh?" Official said, "Your mother is telling." Again he replied, "My mother is telling lie." I am a Sikh of Guru Gobind Singh. My heart, my soul is Sikh of Guru. So that time he gained martyrdom. He gave up the worldly attachment. So this unique incident occurred that time when 746 were killed. At that time, my listeners, 1716 on June 9, exactly same this day, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur was sitting in front of the Emperor of India at the killing place. That time Emperor ordered to tear the body of his 4-year son. According to the order of Frobisher, executioner was torn the body of Baba Banda Singh Bahadur's son into 2 pieces. That time he took the beating heart of his son and thrust into the mouth of Baba Banda Singh Bahadur. That time Emperor Frobisher asked Baba Banda ji, "O Banda, what kind of your situation of your mind, what kind of are you feeling now? Your powerful Guru did not protect you and your son." That time Baba Banda Singh Bahadur replied, "O my all honorable listeners, this answer is notable point for all of us." Baba Banda Singh Bahadur replied with smiling face, "O Frobisher, I am feeling now like at the time of wedding, bride and groom are feeling very happiness. And according to the culture of Punjabi people, someone touches the sweets with the mouth of couple at the time of wedding. That time bride and groom feel very happiness. So similarly, the beating heart which is pushing into my mouth my son, I am feeling like a sweet of wedding day which is putting into my mouth, and now I am getting marriage." Frobisher asked, "What kind of marriage?" Babaji replied, "I am getting married with death, and I will gain martyrdom." So now my mind is totally in unique peace as well as spiritual ecstasy, in intuitive peace. I am feeling unique enjoyment. Frobisher was very surprised and astonished, and he gave order to kill Baba Banda Singh Bahadur. That time executioner firstly he was taken out right eye, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur. Similarly, left eye. After that, he cut Baba Banda Singh Bahadur's hands and feet into piece to piece. After that, he tore the flesh with the red hot pincers, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur's. In this way, that time Baba Banda Singh Bahadur was not crying, not wailing, not weeping, and stable totally, like a meditator sit in meditation. Baba Banda Singh Ji Bahadur stable like a statue, not moving, and he was reciting the sacred hymns of Gurbani. Tera kiya meetha laga, har naam padarat naam khamag. When Baba Ji was chanting and reciting the sacred hymns of Gurbani, Frobisher was become very angry after listening Gurbani. He gave order to cut the tongue of Baba Banda Singh Bahadur into piece to piece. So that time by his order, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur's tongue was cut into piece to piece. But Baba Banda Singh Bahadur ji felt not any kind of pain, not sign, but his radiant face was shown that time at the killing place. After that, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur's head was cut off. So my honorable listeners, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur ji gained martyrdom and everlasting life on June 9 in 1716. So we should learn the lesson from this unique history. What kind of confidence and what kind of trust as well as belief of Baba Banda Singh Bahadur and his companions Khalsa warriors who gained martyrdom and did not give up their religion. So today we all are good fortunate because we have listened the history of great martyrs. So lastly, I want to say I have put such kind of history before you, my honorable listeners. I know I have done many mistakes during this lecture. Please forgive me, pardon me. Lastly, you speak out loudly. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।